I've got a sprinkler that's kind of screwed up. This is the date today, and I'm going to go to manual start. And the way you do it is you go to your box, you open it up, your Rainbird, or whatever this is. What is it? Rainbird? Yeah. So we're going to go here. I'm going to click. This sprinkler is in the second zone, so I'm going to go to 2. There it is. Right now we're going to go check it out. All right, so this is my problem with this sprinkler. As you can see, it's sprinkling in one spot. It's not rotating like the ones over here. They rotate. And I need this thing to go from this angle here, because this grass is dying, and sweep all the way over to this side. So we're going to try to make it so it goes 90 degrees, as you can see. Just a 90-degree turn. Right now it's just going in one spot. So it looks like we're going to replace this one. And I bought 2 of them. I bought this one, which I think is the one I'm going to use, which is a 1/2 inch, and this is 3/4. And what it says is this is the K2 easiest sprinkler to set. So we're going to find out if that's the truth or not in just a moment. Okay, so anyway, I got some gloves on because I want to get my fingers too dirty. And here is our sprinkler. So I got to get it out of there. And so we're going to have to dig some of this grass away just to get at it. And it's one of the big ones. So what I got to do is chop this out a little bit. Then we can always put it back in. But we got to get it out of there so we can work with the thing. So anyway, pull that out of there. Pull that out of there. Close. All right. As you can see, it's deep in there, and it's the big one. And you can see, yeah, our start position is supposed to be to the left. So this one's all screwed up. So this start position is supposed to be the left. So we got to get the dirt out of here first. And that's what I'm going to do. And then we're going to unscrew it. Got to be able to get our hands around it. So I'm going to dig around it until I can get a good grip on it. And we're going to dig that baby out of there. There's a worm. This is really good soil. All right, I'm going to speed up this digging part because that's just way too boring for you guys to watch. I got to get the thing completely dug out. I got to dig all the way down about 6 or 7 inches to get to the bottom of it. This is a 3/4 one, so it's one of the big ones, and it's the K2 Pro. All these roots are stuck in it. That could be one of the problems. There we go. All right, it's coming undone. So to get it off, you got to go counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. When you do get it out of there, you want to lift it very gently, because that water is going to fill in there. And then we're going to put our other one in. All right, here's our other one. It's a little bit bigger. And the way it's going to work is I've got to put this facing directly that way, and this is my angle. So once I put this in there, I'm going to have to lift this up using the key. I'm going to insert the key there, pull the thing up, hold it, and turn it so that this little itty bitty arrow is pointing directly at my left start position, and then it'll move to the other side. So that's how we do it. All right, we're going to try it. We might be able to just set it right in there and do it. Let's see. Now to install it, you need to turn it clockwise until it tightens up. If we get lucky, maybe it'll finish in the left start position. But it doesn't look like it's going to do that. Maybe. Hang on. Okay. So right now our arrow is showing this way. So I've got to lift this with the key and turn the arrow so it's perfectly in this direction. All right, so the way you do it is you got to get this key that comes with it. You're going to set it in there, and then what it does is you turn it sideways like that. I'm going to pull this up, and I'm going to grab it. All right? Then I'm going to turn it counterclockwise all the way back around. So I got to get a good grip on it and twist it. Counterclockwise. There we are. Now that should be it right there. Now the question is, did we do it right? All right, so I've got it at 90. Let's turn it just a little bit. All right, now we're gonna go turn it on and see if it works. You hang in there, be right back. So it seems to be working. Seems to be working. All right, so here's our arc. See if it comes all the way. We want it to come all the way even with the side here. See if it does. See if it gets there. Bam, perfect. Now, oh, too far. Too far. See how far it goes. It's going way too far. All right, so we've got to change that. All right, so we've got too much of an arc here, so we've got to switch it and change it just a bit. And I think we'll be able to do that just by turning this. I want it to come right to here, right on the edge here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change the flow direction. Almost there. A little bit farther. Nope. All right, so we got to pull this a little bit this way. All right, so if this comes here, it should come here. So now we got to see if that works. Now we want it to stop right here. Right there. Will it? No, it's going to keep going. Keeping going. Let's see how far it goes. All right, good. I'm very close. So now if I turn this a little bit more. There we go. That should do it. Watch the angle. And there we are, right on the edge. That's where we want to be. Almost too far. But it's going way too far. All right, so I've got to cut this down, this angle down a little bit. So, grab my key. First, I've lost the key. I have no idea where the key is. Did I put it in my pocket? Oh, there it is. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this. Now, I'm hoping I can just do it while I'm doing it. I'm going to cut it off just a little bit. I just put like a hair on it. So we'll see what happens. Took a hair off. Keep going. I need it to stop right about even with that. If it goes past it, I've got to fix it. Yep, still going past it. A little bit better though. So now we're going to pull it a little bit more this way. See how she does. Let's let it run through its cycle. All right, so let's just get one good run. There it is on that angle. Let's see how she goes back here. We've got to get it so it comes directly even with the side. You can see it shooting all the way across the yard. We need to get that baby directly even with, here she comes. Don't want it to go past the sidewalk. Stop right there and reverse. Okay, it looks good. All right, I think we got it. We fingered it out. Apparently that's not exactly 90 degrees on our lawn. All right, well, or there's a recalibration needs to be done on this thing. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on sprinklers and you name it, I try to do it. Thanks, bye.